Question. Yeah, go for it. So I'm paying interest on my car loan to the bank, but is it possible for interest to work for me so that my money can grow? Great question. And yes, there are two ways, simple and compound interest, and both can be found in investing. Well, how do they work? So let's say you have $10,000 and the market is returning 8%. With simple interest, you would apply the rate of return only to that original amount of $10,000, which would mean that each year you would make $800, or 8% of $10,000. After 3 years, you would have made $2,400 in total interest. Oh wow, so my money would grow pretty good there. Just wait. With the second method of compound interest, you earn interest on the interest, which means that after year 1, you'd still have that same $800 in interest, but after year 2, you would make 8% of the new total of $10,800, which would be $864. And then you add that to the previous total to get $11,664. And then it continues on. Okay, so after 3 years, simple interest would give me a total of $12,400, but with compound interest, I would have almost $12,600, meaning that compound interest is better. Exactly. And as time goes on, compound interest grows exponentially, where simple interest only grows linearly.